truck's packed. I'm gonna go to Wairarapa today. So we are doing a drone fishing today. I'm here with Lester, and he's got a drone and he does quite a bit of drone fishing. So I came down here to the ocean beach to have a look how that all works. Pretty good day for it, not too bad. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it works. Have a look.
So these are my homemade lures with a little bit of silver paper, mylar paper. That's a chocolate wrapping, that one's Cadbury's, that one.
The sparkly, so they get attracted to it.
Basically this reflects the light and hopefully will attract the fish to see what this light shining is. So mullet, squid and a bit of trevally.
Oh,
That is. So we'll just try a variety.
No shy with the baits.
Yeah, decent sized fish. Big bait, big fish.
Yeah.
Small bait, small fish. That's the general idea.
Yeah. What kind of drone you got there?
This one here is an AEE Condor. It has a Newton 3 release system, which is an inertia release system.
Yeah.
I've set it up to drop the load at about 1.5 kilos. So we basically run the line out to 300 meters or 400 meters, whatever you want.
Yep.
And then hit the bail arm on the reel.
Yep.
And the drone will drop the line
bait.
here
Ah.
and then hit auto return for the drone. It'll come back and self land. I normally try and do a hand catch to stop sand getting in here.
Yeah, that's true. That's pretty neat
so
system.
We'll just get this set up now. Turn this on.
And that's the remote controller for it.
Remote control. One short click, one long. And the same with this. One short, one long.
Yeah.
And then she'll fire up.
And what kind of wind it can withstand?
I've flown it in as much as 25 kilometers an hour. Normally I don't like to launch more than 15.
Yeah.
Because out there and up there
Yep.
it generally gets windier. So coming back against the wind today was only 6 meters per second,
Yep.
but going out it was doing 18 meters per second. We've got a northerly.
Yep.
So I've got an anemometer in my bag here.
Oh,
I can just check that. IMU warm up at the moment. Inertial management system for navigation. Put that
so
little,
you just clip that there.
whoop. Clip it here. There we go.
See.
And the white lights pointing frontwards.
Yeah.
And we're about ready to roll. It says IMU warm up inertial management system. And once it's done that,
Yeah.
we'll have a display on here of how many minutes we've got left. I've been charging it, so we've probably got 18, 19 minutes of flying time, which is full battery.
I see.
So we've acquired 10 satellites. We've got 19 minutes of flying time,
Yeah.
and we're ready to roll. And we have, I'll just make sure I've lifted the bail arm off.
Yep.
So we're ready to roll.
Sweet. That's pretty cool.
About 40 meters going out.
Hold on, I'll set it. Is that the braking system or something?
Yeah, the braking system. It was going so fast it couldn't engage. So around 296 metres. Now hit the auto return button. And auto return to home. It's out at 317 metres at a height of 39 metres, which is about standard, and we can see the distance is now decreasing. It's out at 310 metres now.
It's coming back.
So it's coming back, rotating.
At the same spot it will come back? Same place where we launched it, is it?
Yes, it's coming back to exactly where I launched it. So it will land here. And stop.
Hold on.
Better be doing something down here.
Yeah.
That gets me out and about, and it's all good.
So we send the line now, so when you bring it in you just press that button.
Yes. I can put it to pull it all the way in on that button, or just manually. Yeah, that's automatic manual.
What's the max meters it can go to?
The drone can go to at least 500, probably 1k. I've never tried it.
1k?
But I've gone out to 500 okay. And I've only got 400 metres of line on here at the moment, because that shark last week took 200 metres of my line, which was a bit unfortunate. Probably just, well, I think it's a fish.
Okay, looks like moving a little bit. Yeah, there is a little movement going on.
He realised that he's going to be dragged ashore.
Yeah. So does it happen like if you send it there and the machine doesn't work and you have to manually do it?
Yes, yeah. I give it a wee helping hand sometimes with this.
That would be a lot of work if you get 400 meters and machine stops.
So yes, I've launched this now 4 times today, so each time out at 400 meters, 300 meters.
Oh yeah.
So it takes, even with an automated reel, it takes 6 minutes to pull in 400. 6 minutes to take in 300 or 400 meters of line. And so you do get a bit tired.
Yeah.
With the big fish on it.
Is there any like limit that you can use in a day? Like how many times you can use for this machine? Or you can just keep using it?
I've got a spare battery, and the battery I've got here is big enough. If it was a small battery, that would be the limiting factor.
So it's mainly just the battery.
My line was doing this last week, but unfortunately he took the line. 200 meters of it just broke.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of movement going on.
We've got 17 meters.
Oh yeah, I see something.
One for today, yeah. I really would like something a bit more exciting.
Yeah.
I don't really want to put my hand down there. Swallowed the hook pretty good. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, I bet that hurts. Open wide.
Got it pretty good, eh?
Yay! No, thank you. this is shortbread from the Wharekauhau Country Estate Lodge, just up the road here from Ocean Beach.
Oh, yeah.
And it's got the shape of the rollick on here, and that's historic because back in the early days when they were shipping wool from here, the master of the ship refused to take the bales of wool because it didn't have a trademark on it. And so the people who took the bales of wool out to the ship said, oh, what can we do? They said, I know, we've got rollicks on the boat, we'll just take them. And then they pressed them against the wool and they sprayed some tar around the rollicks, and that became their historic symbol, trademark, since 1840.
1840, long time.
Long time. So this.
Okay, so we actually caught 3 dogfish, so we really don't want to try it again. We're going to move towards that side and give it a go there and see if we can get something good.